So guys, welcome back to Team Lovetap's vlog. It's been a while since we did this, but that's because we've been trying to focus on the Hammer and Spanner episodes that we've been posting the last 7 weeks. We actually posted the last episode 7, 1 week ago, and it seems like you enjoyed it, and for some people it might have been a little bit too much talking and not too much action going on, but I know a lot of you guys were wondering all of this stuff, and hopefully you got a lot of your questions answered. So I think there's a valid reason of doing it, and also to show off which products we're using. So yeah, now the season is over for us. We rounded off the season off by doing a sponsor event. We did this back in late August, I think. This event was an event for our partners, and also to offer some ride-alongs for some other companies that wanted to experience drifting. So I think we did about 30 ride-alongs in one day. So it was a really hard day for the car, but it all worked out good. And after that, we decided to tear the car apart, clean everything off, and start the off-season rebuild. So one of the things about the car is that we're trying to chase the weight a bit. The car is around 1440 kilos without me in it, so it's pretty heavy. So we know that that's not a major issue, but we will try to get the weight down step by step, and this is one of the first steps of going that direction. So the first thing, or the biggest thing that we're changing on the car this winter, is that we're rebuilding the whole trunk assembly. So we're sending the car up to Ecarlsson at Ecarlsson SteelDesign. He's going to rebuild the trunk by changing to our new Fuelcell from Nuke Performance, and also a new radiator, and a new expansion tank, and also relocating some of the stuff in the trunk. That's it's going to be overall better serviceable, lower weight, and overall a better solution. So let's get back to watching what happened when we tear down the car, and also a quick stop up to Ecarlsson SteelDesign for the first visit. So let's get going on this episode 31 of Team Lovetap's vlog. Today we got a package, and what might that be? We have a Nuke CFC unit, another one, a new one, and we have this. Feel the weight.
Not so heavy.
Not so heavy. So we just got this from Nuke Performance, and this will help us save a lot of weight. This is our new fuel cell from Nuke Performance. Your Pyrotech fuel cell. There we go. This is a 8-gallon Pyrotech fuel cell. This is made completely ready for the CFC unit, and this is a bladder fuel cell instead of our old one. I'll show you that. This is the old setup. It's an ATL fuel cell. It's 12 gallon as well. That's 45 liter ish, and this is 30 liter ish. So just by changing fuel cell, we will save about 15 kilos. So that's really good. More updates on this soon.
Diverse. Oh jävlar! Helvete.
Yeah, it's been a busy few days, so I'm just going to show you some of the progress we made. So as you see here, we've removed everything from the trunk, the wiring, the fuel cell, the radiator, everything like that. So right now we're removing the old air box and cutting all of that stuff out. So when it comes to Emil Fabian Karlsson, he can do his magic in here instead. So yeah, a lot of other things getting done. I think I will explain more when we get to Emil Fabian Karlsson, because I've shown you all of it in the hammer and spanner, and we will try to focus more on the new things instead of how we remove the old things. So yeah, that's quite about it for now. Yep. There we go. The car is loaded. I haven't been able to film that much, but just packed up everything and we're heading out to Emil Fabian Ecarlsson SteelDesign. So I think I'm gonna update you more when we arrive, but right now I have to get on my way to not get stuck in all of the traffic here in Gothenburg. So let's fucking go. Hey guys, now we're in Teardown at Ecarlsson SteelDesign. This is the first vlog of the off-season in 2019 to 2020, and we have stripped down the car. We cut out all the stuff that we want to change, and today marks the day that we start to rebuild the car, and that's why we've gone up to Teardown, where Emil Fabian Karlsson has his workshop, and the project right now is to rebuild the trunk. So we're gonna fit a new fuel cell from Nuke Performance, their Pyrotech fuel cell, because it's lighter, and we're going down to a 30 liter instead of a 45 liter, and we're gonna do some other stuff. I think it's better to explain during the rebuild. So first off, I want to introduce Emil Fabian and what he does. So here he is.
Hi, I'm Emil Karlsson, and I rebuild cars.
And a lot of other things. You do furniture, custom builds,
furniture, railings, stairs, yeah, whatever you want,
welding,
actually.
Welding or whatever you need to be done in fabrication. He's the man to go to.
I'm the man.
I'm the man. So I'm going to show you some of the cars. He's been the roll cage in this, right? And the bash bar. Nope, not the roll cage in that. Bash bar in that car. And this is one of the cars with the roll cage in right now. But let's check out the bash bar first.
Empty.
No engine. 2JC, no shit. No. But so here you got the bash bar all fabricated up, looking really good. He's done mine as well, but I crash them all the time, so we'll have to do a new one again. And this is the latest roll cage he built for BMW E92. So it looks really good with the NASCAR doors, all of that good stuff. So if you want help with anything like a roll cage or furniture or anything that you want custom, be sure to hit him up. But now it's time to get started on cutting out the car and getting some fabrication done. So let's get to it.
I can't take you anymore. You're ripping out of here, so God damn it! You're driving me crazy.
I see a day to see a job is what it made to me. Shit be freaking bravery. See it's modern slavery. 9 to 5 grind and strive. Fucking nigga pay me less. It pay my bills at minimal, but see it pay me stress. Doing this, doing that, and turn around and scold you true. How I did it wrong when I just did it like you told me to. Fuck you, eat it, dick. That's what I be really thinking. No sir, that's what I be really speaking. Cause even though this job piss me off, obviously, what make a nigga piss more is living poverty. Obviously, I gotta work, suck it up and give a smirk, smiling even though it hurt. And see my boss will fuck.
Tired as fuck.
They call it a paycheck, it's really disrespect. That shit's so low I can't afford to call collect. And that's badder than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. me colder. Cause see my passion keeps on passing me, I'm getting older. That's why I rarely let people at my job know I rap. Cause that just turned to some circus like I'm an acrobat. And my coworkers are nosy and I don't miss it hardly. Can you do a rap at a job Christmas party? Hell no, you ain't shit offended you would ask me to. Don't get it twisted that I'm working here cause I'm just passing through. But they don't believe me cause I've been here for years working. And so it's seeming it's dreaming, the rapping ain't working. On the professional level it's so objective.
So now we have a plan how it should look.
Yeah.
So now you gotta work and I gotta go home and fix my engine. So it's done when this comes back, or at least almost done. So yeah, good luck.
Goodbye.
Keep us updated.
Yeah.
Slow days and we work slow